Hello everyone, this is Muskan Ganglani and welcome back to Hoicomb. Today I'll be teaching you the filter option of Hoicomb. So what is filter? Basically you can put any filters in your board to see them in different kinds of forms you want. So when I open a board and then go on the funnel on the top, you can click on the funnel and it is better to work with table form, so I'll be switching to table form for now. And then when I click on the funnel option on the top, you can see there is this filter written, advanced filter, and we have different columns over here which we can put filters to. And you can go to the advanced filter also and put how many ever filters you want. You can customize the filters or you can just go to any of the columns and put your filter like this. Like how I have applied this filter of default status of working on it. So that was my working on row only. And then when I go to the advanced filter option, you can choose which column you want your filter on, and then is equal to, that means that column will be equal to the value, means I'll be putting redo. So the default status, whichever row is in redo status, that will be shown, that is none for me. So no rows were seen. You can also change it anytime. So I'll put working on it and you can see that I have one row that is in working on it default status. You can go back and delete the filter anytime, or you can just go down and click on clear. So it will be back to normal. You can see all the filters are removed. You can put how many ever filters you want. You can click on the plus sign by going on the advanced filter option, and all the filters will be applied when you click on apply. So like this, you can put any filter and you can work and you can modify the view of your board by however you want accordingly with your job. So this is how you can work with in different forms with Hoicomb, and stay tuned to know more. Thank you.